That's a very organised stag do.
Woke up in Croatia. We woke up in Croatia. The weather is incredible. Our Airbnb is so cute. I'm gonna give you a house tour and show you around. So we're starting day one strong with a boat day. If you come to the Riva in Croatia, there are so many boats to choose from, but these tours that they run are about like 100 people plus. So we wanted something a bit more quiet, a bit more intimate. So we went for a 10-person speedboat.
We just got off our first stop, Trogir. It's a very old historic town built by the Greeks, not the Romans. I listened to the tour guide because I'm very smart.
See, I listened too, and he said it was 500 meters across and 300 meters the other way. This place is like a maze. It's got so many little streets. You could say it's amazing. Trogir's like Split's little sister. It's a lot smaller. It's a teeny tiny island, but it's just as pretty. Everything's white bricks. I like you, Trogir. You're cute. Maybe we could be friends. How is it?
Hello. So nice. See you on the flip side, motherfucker. I think I'm in the most bouncy bit, maybe. Cheers.
Vibe is high, life is good. We're just enjoying.
Cheers.
Cheers. Boat days are always the best days.
Boat days are my favourite days. Maybe I should get a boat. I just need £1 million. Vodka pasta, first time ever. It tastes like grey goose.
Thank you.
We're just walking around the old town now. It's so nice. Reminds me a little bit of Rome, but better. At me, Italians.
The goods are secured.
Yeah, boy.
Wow.
Wow, wow,
Wow, wow, wow, wow, wow.
That's a very organised stag do.
I think something's up.
This is my Roman Empire.
Couldn't tell you what just happened in the last 15 minutes. That's sick.
So cool. Also,
Cool.
just random as well. Didn't have to pay, we just turned up.
This is in the square where the palace is. So by day there's just tourists roaming around, but by night this happens. I don't know if this is a regular thing or if this is a one-off, but we came here at the right time.
Costumes, dialogue, subtext,
yeah.
amazing.
And now there's something else
Now
starting.
there's live music.
Everyone's so cute.
Ready to scoot.
Is this a bad idea? Only one way to find out.
Let's go. Oh my god, baby, this is a movie.
Beach day, beach day. Today we're taking a scoot around to the best beaches in Split. So we started with Kasjuni Beach, the #1 rated spot. But we went round to the left and there's a much quieter, cooler little cove. So we're swimming here, the water is so blue and there's way less people.
Very nice. And it looks very clear. Just finished swimming at Castellet Beach. Doesn't have any cliff jumping spots, but I'll allow it because it's a good vibe. We've got one more to go.